We just made it to the bowling alley. The goal for this video is to hit 200 as an absolute noob. I'm going to be using house balls and house shoes, and it's going to be even a harder challenge doing that. But I do have some baseball experience, so hopefully that plays a lot into this challenge. So I just got in, got the house shoes. Check these out. We dripped up. Lane 15. Oh, there it is. Shoot, we got a bunch of people there. So my thought process, we're gonna use a 12-pound, and then we're going to use a spare ball as like maybe an 8 or a 10-pound. I like to spin it, so hopefully that works in our favor. You already know we had to use our name, Ninja. First game, a little warm up, 99.
Don't stop me, no, don't stop me now. Turn it up louder, I'm feeling loud.
Holy smokes, they got a shot.
If I'm gonna try and beat this challenge, I gotta beat 140. The goal is to get a clean game. If we get a clean game with house balls, we might actually be goated.
Man, I'm gonna break my monitor, I swear!
Nice.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
So pretty much every game was the same copy and paste of what you guys saw. My highest game being 175. So to answer the question, no, I cannot bowl 200 as an absolute beginner. With practice though, maybe with my own ball. So we'll see, but stay tuned for the future vlogs. Catch you in the next video.